Some little nature spirit dolls. Felted, all felted. One's got a little plait. She's a bit more chunky, this one. And then this one is much more delicate. A bit thinner. She's got her curly hair. Little flower in her hair. So, been busy. They're part of the course I've been making. Well, they're not part of the course, but they've come through as I've been doing the Yggdrasil Path course. So this one came through before I did a journey. And then this one came through after I'd done the journey. So, yeah. That's part of what's been keeping me busy the last few days.